Alright, so here it is. This is the idea. Working the gig apps while studying how to day trade because we need to get out and using ICT's model. So I just basically look for my leg, wait for it to retrace, okay, and on the retrace, I grab the trade and look for those, ICT patterns, the turtle soup, the optimal trade entry, okay, fair value gaps, order blocks, which I'm still having trouble with, all right, just basically try to find my way, out because, I want to go back to a 9 to 5, but it just seems to be that even that is very limited. So here we go, week 8. All right, so this is the first trade for today, and then it was the same thing as always. It is just an optimal trade entry. It's swept up there, okay, and I got in it. I mean, 5 contracts, and the only issue is that when I took it down, it was just like I put my stop too close. I should have left my stop open, and basically I ended up getting stopped out. And you can see like I'm gonna move my stop right here. And then it's just gonna hit my stop. But at the end of the day, you ended up making it all the way down there at the bottom. So I made so my account right now is 55.94. Let's go. All right, so everything's fixed. Woohoo! I'm back, baby. But 7 days off, no work, no money. Really backed up now. Now watch this, It was a pretty good start of the week. This is my Tuesday trade, okay? Now on my Tuesday trade, just waiting for the trade to go. Eventually I got in, all right, and moved my stop into profits, and then it was good, okay? And now Wednesday comes in, I just basically I moved my stop. That's what I did. I basically moved my stop. Now Wednesday comes in, and I am taking almost exactly the same trade in the same direction, and here we go. The trade just goes, but the moment it goes, I move my stop right into profits. Count this to like $1,136, okay? All right, let's see what we get on the trade for Thursday. Just gotta find a place to park. So I park at this hotel, this Dublin tree. Got my trade set up. Okay, everything is gonna be done through here. All right, let's see what we get. The new competition. Alright, so this is how the trade goes. I had to come back home in the computer to actually see this, but see, this is the leg that I'm dealing with. Okay? The market opened and it just freaking dumped. And I'm saying to myself, okay, if this is the leg, if this is institutional selling, it's gonna come at least halfway of this whole entire leg and then pull back. You see, and I actually did it right. You see, I got it here. It bottomed out right in the AM, and then it turned around. It started going. I should have took it like right there. I was debating right there whether to sell it or not. I didn't sell it. I actually waited for it to come all the way down here, and I sold it that little red arrow right there. All right, and I was like, okay, that is my AM trade, and I'm done. I'm gonna wait for the PM. I'm gonna wait for this to sweep at least 50% or more, but here is a little problem that I have. It's already swept 50% of this leg. It's already came back 50%. I'm thinking, okay, if it doesn't go below this, odds are it's gonna go over here, okay? And see, I'm in, I tried it, no, it didn't go. I'm in again, there we go, no, it didn't go. So I waited a little bit longer until about like 1:30 or after one. All right, and there it goes, right there. Bought it right there, and I sold it where? All the way over here. And this what's going on right here basically took a lot of my profits, and that's one of my bad habits. All right, so my account is currently right now at 1,166. I gotta get to 3. Remember, I gotta get to 3. But this is my progress. you know, account started, you know, and it's been going higher and higher and higher, you know, but I have those little issues. See, man, I'm pretty good. Listen, I'm doing pretty good. This is the calendar. It's the calendar. You know, it's account started. You know, right here. You know, I'm negative. You know, and then green. You know, it's good. It's good. It's just dealing with my bad habits. So I'm almost halfway there. You know, whatever I made, I lost a lot, and then, you know, I gained it back today. But it's those little traits, those little bad habits. All right, but let's keep going. What is today? Today's the 26th. Today is what, Thursday? Today's Thursday. We got one more day, right? Oh, shit, I don't know. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is the crap dirt, like under $1 a mile. Dude. So here we go. It is Friday, and I'm just waiting for the market to open. It is 7:22, 7:23. You know, I started off my day, you know, with man, Uber and Lyft. I haven't taken any rides yet, so it's just stupid cheesy rides like you just don't want to take. Anyway, all right, let's see what we get today in this eval account. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm looking for, I think it could be coming down here. All right, let's do that. Now let's go down to the lower time level, see what I could see. See if I get some type of pullback to come right back down. Looks pretty good. Okay, market is not open yet. It opens in about an hour. So this is the area where I'm expecting it to go to. Maybe get some type of pullback before actually going down, and then I'll grab it that way. All right, let's see what happens. See, it's right. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So the market just opened, and I have to find a parking spot so I can try to trade. I shut all my apps off. I haven't made any money yet, so. All right, you see it? See it? Okay, see the leg right there. That's the leg that I'm looking at. It's kind of got my attention. Market open, and I just wanted to basically take off to pull right back down. That's something that I'm looking for. It's not necessarily doing that. You know, it's 9:32 or something like that, 9:37. So just waiting for it to just turn around and go up, and then I'm gonna grab it coming down. But I have to wait for something to happen. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait. See, it's the leg, and then premium discount, and then it's in a discount right now, so I'm looking for it to go back into a premium, and then I'm gonna look for that, fair value gap or sweep of liquidity, an order block or turtle soup, something like that. So I just gotta sit here and I have to wait. I gotta wait, but that leg is what I'm looking at. Yeah. Okay, see? Discount, premium, discount, premium. Waiting for it to go over into that little square area, and then I'm gonna look for some type of pattern that's gonna show that's gonna be coming back down. All right, there I go. I think I got something right here. Let's see how far down it goes. All right, there we go. Okay, I just got knocked out, and I'm just gonna wait for another opportunity. See, my loss was so little that I don't care. I just wait for another opportunity. This is one of those things that my trade just doesn't want to. I don't. All right. See, technically, I'm still playing with this leg from here to here. I'm still playing with this leg. It already retraced. About 80%, 70%, somewhere around there. Okay, and he's taking back off. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually taking it long. Okay, I'm just gonna assume that it could be possible that it could be going long, but it's just like if you look at it on the day, the market just keeps it's coming down. So I don't know, could be a big flush, but then again, I'm playing the strategy, which is the sweep of liquidity, which it actually did, and it was like right here. See this? Is this the freaking damn problem with the phone? See, let's do that. And then it went down. It couldn't sweep any, it just went down. Market opened up. It started going higher, but no, it just went lower. All right, so I grabbed it going higher. So let's see how high I can take this. I'm just gonna let my trade play out, and all right, let's do some ride sharing. All right, so it is what time is it? It's 11. Well, it's 10:05. This is Central, but it's 11:05 Eastern, and that's what my trade is right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna say, you can't see it because of the glare. God damn it! So to me, it just looks like that's as high as it's just gonna go for my AM trade. And I'm just gonna sell it right there. See, that's what I'm talking about. I gotta drive, I gotta trade, drive, trade. Just gotta, set the trade, leave it alone, let it work. It sucks. But I didn't make that much. My account is like, I'm down like $100 for today. So whatever. It's just the leg, identify the leg. That's what I did. See, and I was actually expecting the market to go into a particular direction. I don't think Trump was talking at all anytime today, but it just, I'm shifting low. That's why my car shakes. I like to shift, bro. So the market is just, I was expecting to do something different. That's why I'm saying, always wait till 9:30 in the morning to make any decisions. After you see what the market does after 9:30, then and only then take the trade. Whatever happened to cheap gas? Just like hit on the $2. No, yeah, it hit on the $2, and then also you just took right back off again. I'm just gonna have to wait till 1 p.m. Eastern or 12. It's like right there. See that? It's just consolidating right there, and I'm gonna wait till 12, which is gonna be 1 o'clock Eastern. So, all right. My car smells like a curry right now. All right, here we go. Last trade of the day. Don't seem like it's gonna go, but there it is, right there. Just trying to grab it, to go higher. Dip down there. It is 137. So gotta wait until like after 1. It's gonna sweep somewhere, and it swept down. So I'm expecting it to go higher. Let's see. I could be wrong. So now drive, trade, sucks. All right, I need to pull somewhere over and chill out, and just basically the trade should work. If that's the spot, the trade should work out. And then after a moment of being in the trade, oh, look at this. No, see that? That's it. No. Okay, it went in there, and then boom, it took off. So odds are I am right, and now I'm just move my stop off to profits, and let's see how I end up the week. How I end the week. All right, so the trade didn't go. Look at this, such a nice day. It's like what is it? It's 87 in February. Anyway, that was a trade right there. Bought it right there. Went up to here, and it just didn't want to go. So, all right, done for today. And I actually ended up finishing up the week at $909. God damn it. All right, so I'm down a little bit, but it's all right. We'll do it again. We'll do it again next week. All right. Let's keep making this money. Fake money. Fake money.